Okay, here I have the white variant of the M51, which I didn't know existed because the only colors mentioned in most sites are celestial black and electric blue. I bought this one straight from Samsung UK. I actually wanted the electric blue, but it wasn't available, only the celestial black and this white variant. I was really excited about this phone since the moment it was announced, and I really wanted to get my hands on it ASAP. My main interest is the massive battery capacity of 7000 mAh, since I believe it's this kind of massive battery the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra should have come with, especially because of 5G, the 120Hz refresh rate, and a massive 6.9 inches screen. I'm now more convinced that Samsung could have easily fitted at least 5500 or even 1600 mAh if it had made it just a tiny bit thicker. It just chose not to, simple as that. The M51 basically feels about the same thickness, even though it is thicker than the Note 20 Ultra. I will use this one as my main driver for a while. I really want to test this battery. Another point of interest is this fingerprint reader on the power button, where it is more convenient, and I've been saying so for a while since Sony first implemented it on its phones. This is a much better solution and more practical than the in-display fingerprint reader. Stay tuned for my full review. Also, stay tuned for my full camera comparison against the Pixel 4a. My first impressions of the camera on the M51 are very positive. I'm actually very impressed and surprised. I will take few pics side by side, which I'm going to show you before the end of the video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and help me grow as fast as possible. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get the notifications of future videos. See you in the next one. Hasta la vista.